welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. This one almost didn't happen, but we don't have to talk about it. Hope you guys are having a happy and safe Labor Day weekend. I'm already trying to go back to work, but we here. We're gonna have an unboxing. I don't know what's inside. It was actually surprising when I got the notification that I had a package on my mailbox. So shout out to BeautyStat for giving us content, because we was that close to not having a video. But I'm really excited. I have no idea. I'm not worried about this. That's my mailbox, so y'all can't get me. But yeah, the last few products were really good. Did I film an unboxing for the first little PR package that I got? I did. Did those clips get deleted? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. But I'm ready to get into this, and I hope you are too. So if you're ready to see what I got in this month's BeautyStat PR box, keep on watching. It's still too hot. I thought it was gonna cool down. It did not. So hopefully the camera's in focus. It's a lot of things going on. But here was the last card from the last unboxing that you guys didn't see. But you guys saw me use the products. Everything was like vitamin C, targeted towards, brightening the skin. I have no idea what's in here, so we're just gonna hit it with the unboxing mermaid knife. Now, I would be lying if I didn't say that every month I am so close to like going back to BoxyCharm, just because I want to see. And BoxyCharm definitely brings the drama, because the things that I went through, insane. So here it is, his packaging, very minimal packaging, very clean beauty products. Let's see what this card says. So, is it Black Business Month? Is August Black Business? When is Black Business Month? But it says celebrate Black Business Month. So here we are. Look at that. Oh, her skin. Lord Jesus. I could never. It says, okay, well, let's see. There's, whoa. I'm actually, so it says, inside this curated box you find 7 beauty products from our friends at Chris Collins World of Fragrance, LYS Beauty, Glamazon Beauty, Melanin Hair Care, Black Girl Sunscreen, which I need. I was up last weekend skydiving, and I had my ARiiE vitamin C sunblock, and my friend, I don't know, said, I thought you were in whiteface. Like, don't play with me. Don't play with me. So let's get it, because I really need that. And it says Rose Ingleton, MD, and BeautyStat. One for each day of the week, all created by visionary Black founders. And I'm like, is hell. So that looks like a blush. Oh, LYS, so that Lips Beauty. I think that's actually the bronzer that I have on, and one of my favorite bronzers. I did not know it was Black owned, so shout out to them. Wow, I'm thinking it's skincare. I'm so excited. Here we are. So from BeautyStat we have Universal Triple Action Daily Peel. I don't know what this means. With glucosamine and alpha beta acid. So for all skin types, exfoliates, brightens, firms, and reduces wrinkles. I think there are little packets in here. So tell me how to use it. Okay, so you use it morning and night. You said you massage the biodegradable pad onto clean, dry skin for 20 seconds. You wait 2 minutes until dry, follow with the Universal C Skin Refiner, which I have from the last box. And the Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. So you may feel a tingle, this is normal, for a powerful product. First time users and users sensitive skin may apply every other day until skin, okay. So, first sunscreen after this, it says that this product may increase your skin sensitivity to sunburn. I get sunburn really bad, really quick, really fast. So, let me just see, how many's in here? So there are 10 treatments in here. They come like this. That's really cool. And each has like a pad. Okay, I'm with it. I love it. I'm excited. I did not expect this at all. I was expecting like quick little quick video. I don't know what the fuck that was. But here is the first product, and I'm excited. I think this is the Lys Beauty, LYS Beauty. So this is the High Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush. Woo! Oh, cream blush, yeah. This dumb, because the way I don't know how to open nothing, and also Stony Brook's first game of the season is on in my living room, so I already know right after this I'm gonna get myself very upset. I'm very aggressive watching. At least I'm at home where I can't get kicked out. So here it is. Love the packaging. The blush comes, not the blush. The bronzer that I use comes in the same packaging. Very, very nice. A cream. Ooh! Let me block the camera. So here it is. It's like a deep rose or dusty rose color. I have somewhere to go. I'm gonna touch it. Ooh. So this blush, let me do that. So here it is. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me swatch it on my hand for y'all. It's very nice. It's actually a lot brighter when you do a little swatch. Here's my little swatch. It's really nice. I'm really good for a lot of skin tones, so you can build it up, bring it down a little bit. But cream blush is very, very nice. It can get real intense real quick, but they're so good. So good. And a lot of people like to put them under the foundation. I'm not doing that because I want like a full coverage foundation. So this is a really, really nice color. I'm excited. I don't think you guys understand how surprised I am that there's so many products in here. BeautyStat. What's this? So Flawless Gel Eyeliner. Oh my God. Thank God. From Glamazon. I'm so close to doing a whole video on this NYX, I think it's NYX eyeliner that I really, really love and run it now. But like as soon as you put it back in the case, the cap, messes the whole thing. I almost cursed. I'm trying to be family friendly today. But wow. I'm so excited. It's so nice. So let's take a look at it. It's in black. It's a nice felt tip. Love it. Love it. You can't say love it. Ready for it. Definitely. It's hot, y'all. Oh God, I hope my camera doesn't fog up. All right, so this is Chris Collins. Oh, it's a fragrance. I'm a little scared of fragrances. You guys know I have a headache condition, and certain things like trigger me. Bright lights, there's photophobia, but this, I'm not here too long, so it's not too bad, but let's smell it. So this is the Lost in Paradise. I'm actually going out, so maybe I'll wear it. Oh, I like it. I like it. It's nice. It's light. It's not, I don't like really musky. There's like it's like a floral fragrance. I'm gonna be professional. Remember when I had a fragrance? Recipes? But yep, I like this a lot. I don't know how much anything costs, so guys, please, I didn't even know what this is what it was gonna be. But I'm wearing this tonight when I go out. Wow, I'm excited. And here, this is Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. Say less, because I have to re-dye my hair soon. Which means I don't like to. Oh, it's like a peppermint. Not like a peppermint, like a spearmint. Smells really good. It's thick. It's thick. I'm not gonna put it on my hand, but definitely needed. I don't really trust a lot of products with my hair. One, because it's, let's check what's in here. Anything that's sulfate free, I go for my hair. Just protein. Okay. All right. We can do this. There's like 2 more products left, guys. We're almost done. This is the Rose Ingleton MD Signature Moisturizer. This is small, but there's some weight on it. So it's a little heavy. Packaging. It's like a little glass bottle. We're gonna touch it and smell. Ooh! I'm not gonna lie to you, low-key smells like paint. I just will not lie to y'all. Kinda smells like paint. Not like, ooh, that's thick. Not like overwhelming. It's very light. That was just my first impression. And here we have it. Very thick, moisturizing. Get away, that's a stupid fly. but it's not greasy. So I'm gonna guess there's some hyaluronic acids in that, but that feels very, very nice. When I come home and take off my damn face, I'm using it. Hydrate and glow. I felt that. Felt that. Ooh, this is not. I'm so excited. Okay, and the last thing we have is the moisturizing sunscreen lotion for body and face. This is SPF 30, and it's a black girl sunscreen. And it's water resistant up to 80 minutes, paraben and fragrance free, no white residue. This is just a sample, but if I really like it, I'm going to buy it. I've never tried it. Again, that purple tint and that white tint that sunscreen gives you as a black person, a person of color, sucks. It's stupid. And I think a lot of that deters people from, deters a lot of us from wearing sunscreen every day, even though, like, don't your melanin is, all right. When melanin was creeping up on you, then you have discoloration and hyperpigmentation and all these sunspots because you don't wear your sunscreen. So I just wish that, it is a sample, so that's fine. I just wish it came something that was a little bit more reusable. But y'all, I'm really excited about this. I was not expecting all of these products from all these different brands, black owned brands, which is dope. I did not know that Liss Beauty or LYS Beauty was a black owned brand, because when I say I got that bronzer in a BoxyCharm and I write it down, I'm using whatever the corners at this point. But I'm very, very happy with this. Look at us. Let's get a thumbnail. I look dumb every time. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. I'm trying to keep it light and cute today. I really wasn't feeling it, but I do have some other things planned. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to vlog tonight for Tu's going away party. I have no idea, but I'll be with Raccoon. You guys know he's out of control, so that might be a thing. If it is, it'll be on next week. Make sure your notification bell is still on. I'm dropping shorts whenever I can, random stuff. I'm thinking about dropping the shorts of the stories that I put on Instagram when I go into the office. Maybe they'll get me fired. Maybe it's Maybelline. But they're kind of funny. A lot of people look forward to them. So I'm thinking about it. Just make sure that notification bell is on and set to all. I'm back. I'm trying not to take any more breaks. But if I do, I'll let you guys know in advance in that community tab. So keep an eye out for that. But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Wow, this was so distracting. That perfume smells so good. Let me throw that on. Thank you so much for watching, guys.